I can explain.
And wait,
yes.
You will explain to the senators when they ask you. I just want to lay basis.
Yes. This IP address then appears 9 times. 9 times.
Yes.
You confirm that? Huh?
I confirm.
So on the first of these logs, an MCA, 9 MCAs voted using one gadget.
Yes. We had a laptop in the chambers.
And there's and the evidence before court is that before the Senate is that only 3 MCAs was listed. Do you know that?
The chambers, we have one router which has a static IP, which we normally use for the live stream. So static IP doesn't change. The others have dynamic IPs.
Now go to volume 2 as I finish up. Go to volume 2, page 88. The MCAs who were assisted to vote using one machine. Because the logs show that 9 MCAs voted with one machine.
Well, not machine exactly, but
look at page 8. Look at page 88.
Yes.
Look at page 88 of volume 2. Paragraph 8. In the affidavit of Martin Langat, how many MCAs were assisted according to that affidavit in the chambers to vote? How many? Paragraph, page 88, paragraph 8.
We had 2 ICT officers in the chambers.
I'm asking how many MCAs according to the affidavit before the Senate?
3.
Only 3.
Yes.
Thank you.
Counsel for the County Assembly, any re-examination?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I will do the re-exam for the witness. Alfred.
Yes.
Other than speculation and blanket accusations, has the governor's team pointed you to any audit report that indicates that you indeed voted or conducted any illegal activities in the platform?
No.
So is that accusation backed by any evidence?
Yes, because once I log in as an administrator, and I was not within these IP addresses within the assembly. The IP addresses for the assembly
we will get to that point.
Yes.
Mine was just to confirm whether there is any evidence that has been tabled to show that
no
indeed
evidence, no.
there are activities from the administrator. Let me ask you a question as a layman. Is there a system on earth that does not have a system administrator?
No.
All systems
must have
an administrator.
Yes.
And what are the specific roles of an administrator of any system?
Specific roles is to assign the users, to create the users in the system, assign the rights. If it is, for example, the voting one, rights to vote, who is supposed to vote, who is not to.
Does that include internet banking?
Internet banking.
Do we have a system administrator for that application? There's always someone at the end who is doing the administration work?
Yes, even in the central bank, we have somebody we consult usually when you have problems.
And isn't it true to state that the system admin has super rights in all the systems?
Yes.
So it is then not unusual for you to have super rights as an admin?
Very true.
That is indeed standard, correct?
Yes.
Does Kericho County Assembly have an ICT policy?
Yes, we have.
Has that policy been approved by the County Assembly Service Board?
It was approved.
Does that include procurement issues of the system?
Yes, it includes.
Did the development of this system comply with the ICT policy of Kericho County Assembly?
Yes, it did.
You confirmed that you were not in chambers during the voting.
Yes, I was not in the chambers.
So if there was voting that took place in the chambers, it cannot be from you, if we're able to trail that voting came from the chambers.
Yes.
Kindly turn to page 32. And let us measure on the 4 MCAs whose votes are contested. Are we able to tell from the IP addresses where the specific voter was at the time the vote was cast?
Yes, based on the routers which we have in the chambers, we can really identify.
Kindly proceed and indicate specifically the 4 MCAs where were their votes cast from? What volume are we looking at?
For the first one, it was cast for volume 4A, page 31, for Cheplanget.
4A of the County Assembly's documents?
Yes.
At page?
Page 31.
Page 31.
Yes.
Kindly take us to the first IP address.
That is the one for Cheplanget. Cheplanget 41 13 139 237 129, which is our static IP in the chambers.
Give us the specific entry for the sake of the senators who are.
Second last.
The second last. So the second last entry,
yes,
is an IP address.
A static IP address which is within our chambers.
Within your chambers?
Yes.
So that vote then must have been cast from chambers. Is that correct?
Yes.
Were you in chambers to cast that vote?
No, I was not.
Let's go to the end. Who cast that vote? Are you able to tell the specific member who cast that vote?
Honorable Hillary Pasuben.
Hillary is the one who cast that vote?
Yes.
From chambers?
Yes.
Let's go to the second MCA that purports they did not vote and that you're the one who voted.
He used our page 32, the first MCA from Kapkatet. He used also a router in our chambers, that is 105. We are using the Safaricom fiber, and we have the routers in the chambers to assist members access, and especially when we are running live broadcasts for the Facebook page and YouTube. That's why we have a static. The static is the one which doesn't change. So we are using that one to avoid disruptions when there is a live stream.
Again, you confirm that that vote was cast from chambers?
Yes.
And you are not in chambers?
Yes. That is page 32, first one.
The first entry at page 32?
Yes.
Which member cast that vote?
Amos Pereira.
Amos Pereira. From chambers?
Yes.
Let's go to the third one.
The third one is within the chambers, within the static IP.
Which specific MCA?
Martin Cheriot.
Martin Cheriot.
Yes. Second last.
Second last.
Page 32.
The second last entry at page 32?
Yes.
Where would that vote cast from?
From the chambers.
From the chambers, which you are not in?
Yes.
The last one?
The last one.
The last one for Edna?
I'm trying to trace the one for Edna, since she's a nominated member. 19, 22, 27. It is through the chambers, static.
Give us the entry number. What page?
Page 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is the seventh one. Etna, so it's Honorable Etna.
What entry number?
Entry number from the bottom is number 6 from the bottom.
Number 6 from the bottom.
Yes.
And again, you confirm that that vote was cast from chambers?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Now, was the electronic voting done through the website so as to be affected by where the website is hosted?
No.
So the hosting of the website has nothing to do with the voting?
But where we have hosted, because it must be accessed through the database in our hosting site.
But could where the website is hosted affect the voting system?
It didn't.
Has any material been produced by the team for the governor showing that there was compromise from the host of the website?
No, not in my knowledge.
You have been accused of not training members of the county assembly on the use of this system. Kindly confirm the other functions that are available in this system other than the electronic voting.
The others that are available are members using the interacting with the system during committee meetings within the assembly.
How many times have members of the county assembly interacted with the system through meetings and
multiple since 2022?
Since 2022.
Yes.
Has any member of the county assembly ever complained that they were unable to use the system, even for the other functions?
Yes, we have had some cases and we resolved the issues.
Indeed, this is the very system that is used to pay members per diems, correct?
Yes.
And to generate vouchers, correct?
Yes.
The same members that are now complaining that they could not use the system, correct?
Yes.
Is there anything in law that prevents the county assembly from developing its own system internally?
Standing orders is sufficient to allow us to do the systems for the operations within the assembly.
Is the system you generated the only system that is being used within Kericho County Government, including executive?
No, we are using in the Kericho County Assembly.
Are you aware if the county executive has their own internal
yes.
Systems?
Yes.
Give an example of such an internally developed mechanism.
They say they have revenue collection system.
So the revenue system of Kericho is internally developed?
They said so.
Is there anything wrong then for you to develop your own system?
Not at all.
And maybe let me ask this question. In your own understanding as an IT expert, does the revenue system that has been internally developed by Kericho government have an administrator?
Yes, it does.
Does that administrator have the same user rights as you interact with your system?
Yes, it must be having.
And this involves the entire revenue of Kericho County that is collected?
Yes.
Let's talk about the data that you presented as audit logs for the voting system.
Yes.
Other than what you printed, is the raw data still available on the system?
Yes,
that is untampered with, that is uncopied?
It is.
It is.
Yes.
You have also been accused of not producing a certificate of electronic evidence to demonstrate the procedure you used.
I've confirmed that.
Kindly, for record purposes, confirm that indeed you supplied us with a certificate of electronic.
Yes.
Where is that certificate contained?
Volume 2, page 114.
Thank you. What was the specific mode that you used to copy and print the logs? And how would you explain the fact that we had some logs that do not follow each other sequentially? Why would that be the case?
The logs page was in 5 pages, so I had to copy the page by page. I copied page 1, paste in a notepad, and then copy the next page. So that is where duplication came in. I didn't counter check.
But you confirm that the system has the logs intact, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Does the system audit show that there were votes that were received from any other court apart from the county assembly's chambers?
No.
Did the members of the county assembly or any other person apart from you know the credentials that were going to be used in the voting exercise?
No.
Specifically, did the speaker know that it was the IDs that were supposed to be used as the passwords prior to
No,
the
I
announcement?
communicated to him once he ruled that division was to be done and electronic voting was to be used.
Thank you. Does the audit logs indicate that there was any activity that took place beyond the 11 minutes that were provided for voting?
In regards to voting, no.
So the only activity that is confirmed from the audit is activities that took